Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Battlefield 6 unknown error code 075030S or 085011S on Xbox console. So if you're getting this Battlefield 6 error on Xbox console, then here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. Now before performing any of the fixes, first check the Battlefield 6 server status. You can go to this Down Detector website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you go to the downloaded website of Battlefield, here you can see user reports show problem with Battlefield, and then you can scroll down and here you can check the graphs. You can see so many users have reported the problem from the last 5 to 6 hours and they're facing the server issues. So if you find that the server status is offline, under maintenance, or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check back later. But in case if their server status is online and if you're still getting this error on Xbox console, then here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. First fix is to close the game and restart your Xbox console. So simply close the game, then restart your Xbox console. Simply unplug all the wires from your Xbox console, wait for 1 or 2 minutes, then plug in all the wires, restart your console and then launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to clear the alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address, and then click on clear and then restart. This will restart your Xbox console and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to switch network connection. If you're using a wireless connection, then try using an Ethernet cable to access internet and check. If you're using a Wi-Fi, then try connecting to mobile hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to a different Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot network and check. Fix 4 is to reset console without deleting games and apps. So go to Xbox settings, then go to system and then click on console info. Click on this console info, then click on reset console. So click on this reset console, then click on reset and keep my games and apps. So click on this reset and keep my games and apps and then follow the on-screen instructions to reset your Xbox console. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if error is fixed or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily fix Battlefield 6 unknown error code, and the error code is 0:75030S and error code 0:85011S. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.